Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying firmware and model because mismatched images break recovery. Once done, power cycle the unit, remove power, wait 30 seconds, then restore stable 5V. Next, connect a serial adapter and USB-C to access the bootloader. This reveals boot logs and lets you flash safely. Make sure to use the correct drivers so the device enumerates. These actions immediately diagnose hardware versus software faults and prepare you to reflash without guessing. You now restore firmware and calibrate sensors to recover full functionality. First, flash the verified image in DFU mode using DFU-util or the vendor flasher. Verify success by watching boot logs. Once firmware is stable, run the included calibration scripts, gyro, motor encoder, and camera alignment. These ensure movement accuracy and vision reliability. If the robot fails mid-flash, retry with a different USB port and a powered hub. Flashing correctly prevents drift and unexpected resets. You finish by validating the repair and handling any residual problems. Run the full diagnostic suite and review logs for error or warn messages to confirm subsystems work. Then, ensure network settings are correct. Use static IP if your environment requires it, or DHCP for general use. If issues persist, capture serial and system logs while reproducing the fault and document steps taken. That log is the single most useful artifact when escalating or seeking targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.